Hi, today in this video we show you how to create a last-minute creation for Mother's Day that will be here in Italy and in other countries this Sunday that is coming. I realized a papercraft a magnet, and another thing, this is a with a wooden stick, can be used as a decoration or as a bookmark. And we will use some doodles. We will create some doodles, and we will use a sort of hand lettering. So they are quite easy to make and quite funny. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute paper creation for Mother's Day. We will need something in order to create the circle. We will need a piece of paper. In this case, I choose the white one. We will need something to create the circle, and with a pencil, we will create a circle. We will draw our circle, and then with a pair of scissors, we will cut this around the border. Okay. Voila, our circle. Now, with the rubber, you can rub away the pencil. Okay, now we will need, in order to create this kind of doodle, we will need a pen in green. I will use this pen. Some are from Stabilo, and I think you can find this kind of pen in everywhere in the world. They are the fine one with the fine pen point. Okay, now let's get started to create the roses, the flowers. We will do in this way. We will trace a sort of a doodle. Okay, we will trace some leaves at the end and along the green line. These are the leaves of these roses. Okay, and then this is for the base of the roses. Now we will need to use, I will use the red pen, but you can use the fuchsia and the orange or yellow, the color that you prefer. We will create the roses in this way, tracing this sort of spiral. Okay, voila. These are our cute roses. Okay. Voila. Okay, now we will need to create the words. We will trace the word, and it's up to you the color that you prefer. I think I will create the same as "Mama, you are the best," because I like very much that kind of phrase. Okay, now we will start to create a sort of our mom word in this way. And then we will trace again our word. We will give to the word a sort of dimension in this way. In this case, I'm writing in lowercase, but it's up to you if you prefer in uppercase. Voila. Trace again. In this way you will give a sort of dimension to the word. Voila. With another color. In this way. Here again, a sort of dimension to the word. And then orange. Voila. Voila. Here. Now we will need to create some other little doodles, and then I like this doodle very much. They are quite easy to make. You will need to create a sort of star. And you can create your doodles, and you can create your personalized gift for mom. Okay, now with some glitter paper I will create, and the punch, I will create the butterfly. Okay, I think it's quite nice to add a butterfly. In this case, here or here. And then with this we will create 3 little circles, and we will glue them around. Okay, you will need some glue in order to glue the butterfly here. I think it's quite nice, the butterfly near the flowers. And then we will glue this circle, glitter circle, around our creation. I think they are quite nice. In this case I will create another, maybe another bookmark. I know for sure that my mom will like these bookmarks because she reads a lot. voila. And then the finished touch, we will create this line and dot all around in this way. Voila. We will create this. Voila. Our creation is done. Voila. Okay. And then we will need another of these one. Just a second, because I prefer to glue one in red. Okay, in this case we will need some glue, and then here voila, and our creation is done. I think they are quite nice, and I'm sure that my mom will be very happy with this creation. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.